everybody that I know that's in the operations side understands that real estate is a very well-run business when it's well-run. When it's not, it is a mess and it can be
Right.
expensive. The learning curve is tremendous, and it's one of the reasons why a well-run operator will run their business at peak performance all the time. They will run it without concessions. They will run it with the best environment they can. Like tomorrow they're going to sell, or tomorrow they're going to
Mhm.
refi, or tomorrow you're going to have COVID show up, shut the world down, and you may need some cash. And if you've got the Grand Junction that you bought, you're not getting anything from the bank. If you've got the Grand Junction facility that you have currently, bank's going to look at you guys and go, this is a winning story. This is
Right.
something we can invest in. So, Paul, what other advice can you give my listeners here as we're closing out this segment on what should they be looking to do with their investment strategies as they're closing out this quarter of COVID and moving into the summer months, and what's going to happen through the balance of 2020?
So if they're a residential type person or a newbie in real estate, they don't have a lot of cash and experience, I would pick up a book called Real Estate on Your Terms, which is not on Amazon. I think you have to go really look hard for it. But it's Chris Prefontaine. He teaches some really creative strategies to get into residential real estate. I'd recommend that you consider having him on your show. If you're a commercial real estate investor, or if you have more money to invest, I have 7 paths in my upcoming book. I have a book coming out soon called Storing Up Profits. It's a book on self-storage, and it's the last third of the book, Shannon, is dedicated to 7 different paths to get into commercial real estate, including passive investing, finding a mentor, being a deal finder, being a capital raiser, going to work as a W-2 employee for someone like you, and then working your way up, all kinds of ways to get into the business. I honestly think that massive fortunes are going to be made in the coming couple years. I won't say months, but I'd say starting in 2021 and 22. A lot of great companies like Disney, Apple, Microsoft, General Electric were launched or grew during really bad economic times. And I think it's going to be the same here. So I would say prepare your team, prepare yourself, prepare your tribe, and get out there and get ready to take advantage of this cycle.